Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right at accessibility to stop the narrator quickly. First, open Sea of Thieves and access the main options menu. On PC, press ESC, on console, press menu. Next, navigate to settings and choose accessibility. This is where the narrator toggle lives. Once there, pause and confirm you can see the narrator or subtitles entry. This step ensures you're in the correct submenu before making changes, preventing accidental adjustments to other audio or HUD options. Now you'll turn the narrator off. Find the narrator or audio descriptions toggle and move it to off. You'll often see a visual confirmation or hear the last spoken line stop. After switching it, make sure to select Apply or Back to save settings, because leaving the menu may revert unsaved changes. Once done, return to gameplay and listen for silence from the narrator. This immediate test verifies the change so you don't continue playing with unwanted audio cues. Finish by verifying the narrator is gone and troubleshoot if needed. If the voice persists, exit to the desktop or console home and restart the game to apply settings fully. Make sure system-level accessibility or screen reader features on your OS or console aren't overriding game settings. Disable those if necessary. If issues continue, verify game files or reinstall Sea of Thieves to fix corrupted settings. Remember, a restart or OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.